Om Namah Shivaya. Today we are going to learn about aldol condensation. Aldol condensation is one of the important reactions of carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes or ketones. Now in aldol condensation, two molecules of aldehydes or ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom react in presence of dilute alkali to give beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. Beta hydroxyaldehyde is called aldol and beta hydroxy ketone is called ketol. Now the alkali used can be sodium hydroxide, or it can be sodium carbonate or potassium carbonate or barium hydroxide. Now what is alpha hydrogen atom or aldehydes with alpha hydrogen atom? This reaction is for aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen. Now if we consider the carbonyl carbon or the carbonyl group, this is the carbonyl carbon. The carbon adjacent to the carbonyl carbon is alpha carbon, and the hydrogen present on this carbon is alpha hydrogen. So aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen will undergo aldol condensation. Now we will consider the reaction between two molecules of acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is CH3CHO. So two molecules will react. So this can be written as CH3C double bond OH, and the second molecule we can write it as CH2H and the aldehyde group CHO. Here the reaction is taking place in presence of dilute alkali. Now we can write the product. When we write the product, we can take it like this. We can place this hydrogen on oxygen. Then the product is CH3COH CH2 and CHO. Now this is called beta hydroxyaldehyde. Beta hydroxyaldehyde. Why beta? Because the carbon adjacent to the carbonyl carbon is alpha and next one is beta. On the beta carbon we have the hydroxyl group. So this is called beta hydroxyaldehyde. Now this is also called aldol. This compound is called aldol because it contains the aldehydic group and the alcoholic group. Aldehyde, from aldehyde we have ALD and from alcohol we have OL. Now this product is the addition product, or this reaction, that is reaction of two molecules of aldehyde, acetaldehyde, to give aldol is aldol reaction. Now this aldol, on heating, when we heat aldol, it will lose a molecule of water. A molecule of water is eliminated from this compound. One H from the alpha position and OH from the beta position will be eliminated as water, and then in the resulting product there will be a double bond between alpha and beta carbon. So we'll write the structure of the product. The product will be CH3 CH double bond CH and CHO. So now there is a double bond between alpha and beta carbon, or this product is the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, and this is the aldol condensation product. This alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde is called but 2-ene-al. Now when we name this aldehyde, we will start numbering from the carbonyl carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So double bond is between 2 and 3. So it is but 2-ene-al. So aldol condensation is the reaction between two molecules of aldehyde. Here we have taken acetaldehyde. So two molecules of acetaldehyde react in presence of base to form aldol, and aldol on heating removes or loses a molecule of water to form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, which is the aldol condensation product.